If your Epson printer won't connect to your Chromebook, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the complete setup from start to finish, so you can start printing without any frustration. We'll cover every step in a simple way that's perfect for beginners. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Before we begin, make sure your Epson printer and Chromebook are both nearby and ready to use. Having everything prepared now will make the setup much faster and easier to follow. First, press the power button on your Epson printer and wait until it finishes starting up completely. Next, check that the Wi-Fi indicator on your Epson printer is turned on. If the wireless light isn't showing, connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network before moving ahead. Now, open your Chromebook and sign in if needed. Once you're on the home screen, keep the printer powered on and within range of your wireless network. On your Chromebook, click the time in the bottom right corner of the screen. This opens the Quick Settings panel, where you can access important device options. From the Quick Settings menu, click the gear-shaped settings icon. This is where you'll find the printer options and other system settings needed for the setup. In the Settings menu, scroll until you find Printing and Scanning, then click to open it. This section lets you manage printers connected to your Chromebook. Finally, select Add Printer to let your Chromebook search for nearby Epson printers. In the next step, we'll connect your printer and get everything working properly. Your Chromebook will now begin searching for compatible printers on the same wireless network. When your Epson printer appears in the list, simply click its name to select it. If you see multiple printers, choose the one that matches your printer model. Now click the Add button to save the printer to your Chromebook. The system will automatically configure the connection in just a few seconds. While the connection is being established, avoid turning off either device or disconnecting from Wi-Fi. The setup usually finishes quickly without any extra steps. Once the process is complete, your Epson printer will appear under your saved printers. That means your Chromebook is now ready to send print jobs. Let's make sure everything is working correctly by opening any document, PDF, or Google Docs file on your Chromebook for a quick test print. Click File, then choose Print from the menu. This opens the Print Preview window where you can review your printer and print settings. In the Print Preview, confirm that your Epson printer is selected as the destination. Everything looks good, so click the Print button. Your Chromebook will send the document wirelessly, and your Epson printer should begin printing within seconds. Great job! If your page printed successfully, your Epson printer is now connected to your Chromebook and ready for everyday printing whenever you need it.